Locate your operating system version and tap it repeatedly until developer options are unlocked. Now return to the main settings screen. Scroll down and open Additional Settings. Then enter Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, scroll all the way down until you find Disable Child Process Restrictions. Enable this option. By disabling child process restrictions, we allow the virtual environment to function without being force-limited by the system. Now install and scan Arise, the 64-bit enhanced build of GameGuardian. Once the installation is complete, do not open it on your main system. We will run it inside a virtual Android environment instead. Install and open VPhone Gaga. When prompted, allow notification permissions. After that, ignore the initial quick launch suggestions. This ROM is based on Android 10, which provides better compatibility for tools that require extended process access. Create a new virtual instance. Authorize all required permissions when prompted. Then wait for the ROM to load completely. This may take a few minutes depending on your device, so be patient. Once the virtual system finishes loading, open its Settings menu. Enable root access inside the virtual environment. After enabling root, restart the virtual machine to apply the changes. Now we are ready to add GameGuardian inside the virtual system. Import and install Arise inside the virtual machine. If the installation appears stuck at 99% for an extended period, simply press back and install it manually from the file manager. Grant all required permissions. Then restart GameGuardian inside the virtual environment. Once this works, your Android 16 device is now successfully running GameGuardian inside a stable virtual Android 10 environment.